Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about the elderly, so let's get started. Who is an old person you respect? An elderly person I hold in high regard is my grandfather. Or, in more advanced answer, you could say, someone I deeply respect and admire is my grandmother, who has played a significant role in shaping my values and perspectives. How did you know this person? He's my grandfather, so I've known him since I was a child. Or, I've had the privilege of knowing my grandmother since my earliest memories, as she's been an integral part of my life journey. What do you like to do when you get together with this person? Whenever I meet him, we often sit and chat about various topics. Or, during our gatherings, I enjoy engaging in conversations with her, discussing life experiences and gaining valuable insights. How do you feel about this person? I have a lot of respect for my grandfather and his wisdom. Or, my grandmother holds a special place in my heart, and I hold the utmost respect for her due to her immense wisdom and kindness. Okay, only 4 questions to work through today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home, as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. Elderly individuals often carry a wealth of life experience that have shaped their perspectives and decision-making abilities. These experiences accumulated over decades provide them with a unique understanding of human nature, relationships, and the complexities of life. Through their own triumphs and challenges, they have developed coping mechanisms and strategies that can be invaluable for younger generations to learn from. Elderly people often act as living repositories of cultural heritage and traditions. They hold memories of times gone by, preserving customs, rituals, and stories that are essential for understanding a community's identity. Engaging with older individuals can provide younger generations with a bridge to their cultural roots, helping them appreciate the historical context and heritage that shapes their own identity. Younger individuals can benefit greatly from learning these skills, enhancing their own relationships and interactions. The elderly often excel in interpersonal relationships due to years of navigating various social dynamics. Their ability to communicate effectively, empathize, and offer support comes from a place of deep understanding and patience. In today's fast-paced world, there can be challenges in fostering meaningful connections between generations. Technological advancements and changing lifestyles sometimes create a gap in communication and understanding. However, bridging this gap offers immense opportunities for mutual growth and learning. Through open conversations and active listening, younger generations can tap into the wellspring of wisdom that older generations possess. Respecting and learning from the elderly is not only about personal growth, but also about preserving their legacy. By valuing their insights, we continue to celebrate their impact and keep their legacy alive. It's a way to honor the contributions they have made to society and ensure that their stories and wisdom are passed down to future generations. The wisdom of the elderly is a treasure trove of life lessons, cultural heritage, and interpersonal insights. Engaging with older individuals allows us to tap into the wealth of experience, fostering personal growth, enriching our understanding of the past, and ensuring a bridge between generations that strengthens the fabric of our society. Right, I hope you found that enjoyable. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Please read through these with me and perhaps incorporate them into your daily English use. Elderly, revered, knowledgeable, experiences, insight, guidance, perspectives, decision-making abilities, triumphs and challenges, coping mechanisms, cultural heritage, repository, historical context, identity, interpersonal relationships, empathize, patience, fostering, meaningful connection, gap in communication, active listening, legacy, contributions, enriching, preserving, tap into, wealth of experience, personal growth, bridge between generations, fabric of society, engaging with, well-being, preserve wisdom, cultural roots, interpersonal skills, mutual growth, open conversations, celebrate their impact, keep their legacy alive, enriching our understanding, timeless source, acquaintances, reverence, engage in dialogue, collective wisdom, transmit knowledge, bridging generations, intergenerational exchange, cultural appreciation, honoring traditions, cultural tapestry, cultural preservation, mentoring relationships, folklore and anecdotes, chronicles of the past, interact with history, shared experiences, interconnectedness, contribute to the dialogue, pass down wisdom. Okay, and lastly we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. The question, who is an elderly individual you deeply respect, could instead be said, who is a senior person you hold in high esteem? Or, how do you know this person? How are you acquainted with them? What activities do you enjoy doing them? What are the things you like enjoy engaging in together? And in statements, this elderly person is a source of great inspiration for me. Instead, you can say, I'm deeply inspired by this senior individual. Okay, I'll let you work through the rest of those statements and the descriptions, and then I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.